Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook cake in a microwave. Immediately gather your essentials: a microwave-safe mug, plain flour, granulated sugar, cocoa powder, baking powder, milk, vegetable oil, and vanilla extract. This method offers a surprisingly quick and simple way to satisfy your sweet tooth with minimal fuss and cleanup, perfect for a busy day. First, combine 1/4 cup of plain flour, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder in your mug. Whisk these dry ingredients together thoroughly. Next, add 3 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix until just combined and smooth, ensuring there are no dry pockets or lumps. Carefully place your mug into the microwave. Set your microwave to its full power setting, typically around 1000 watts, and cook for approximately 60 to 90 seconds. Keep a close eye on the cake as it rises quickly. You can test if it is done by gently pressing the top. It should feel slightly firm and spring back. Once cooked, allow the cake to cool in the mug for about 1 minute. This brief cooling period helps the cake to set and prevents it from crumbling when you remove it. For a delicious finish, you could add a spoonful of ice cream, a dollop of whipped cream, or a sprinkle of chocolate chips. Personalize it exactly how you like.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.